Hello guys. Most beginners lose money not because of strategy, but because they place trades incorrectly. So you the right way. Okay, this is your MT5 trades. So once you open your chart, don't rush to buy or to sell. First, choose the pair you want to trade, and it is always in the quote section. Let me say I'm going to trade GBP, USD, or BTC, USD right here. Okay, so now here, after this, you tap on the new order. Okay, so when you tap on the new order like this, you tap in the upper right hand corner and you go to the market execution page. Okay, so this is where beginners make mistakes. Every setting here matters a lot. So in the market execution page, you have the lot sizes, where to set the TP and the stop loss right here, right? And also you have a sell and a buy option there, right? So now, or is that small? Choose the lot size that matches your account. Never go big. Remember, whenever the lot size increases, the risk also increases. When you are using a 0.01 lot size, that is a medium or it is a low risk. When you're using 0.02, 0.05, it is a medium risk. So it always differs from those who are using 0.1 or a 1 lot. Okay. So now always pay attention to it. Okay. Also here, you can decide to maybe to use, let me say I'm going to use 0.02 right here, or is set a stop loss and take profit, okay, before entering, okay? So this protects your account if price goes against you, okay? So now this is this side it is the stop loss and this side it is the TP. I can decide to enter on the I can decide to enter on the current market structure, like where the market is trading from currently, and I decide to put my to edit my take profit right here. You can edit it and you say that when the market reaches a certain zone right here, uh, I will I will exit the market, and also you decide to set your stop loss. Let me say on 67888, right? So now, when you set your stop loss and you set your TP, now you execute the trade. Now you can choose to buy if price is going up or sell if price is going down. Now let me buy from right here. So now when I buy, you'll see that this page it will be you will see your trade running and active. So you can monitor it in this trade tab. Okay, so master this fast. Most beginners actually skip this step, and that's why they really struggle, right? So now you can see when you tap here, you can see that you've set the sell loss and also you set the TP. You can see that when you increase the lot size, but now I've used a 0.03 lot size. That's why the risk is small. But let me show you when I use a higher risk, maybe a 0.1. And again, I decide to buy, you'll see that the risk will be really different. The other one, it is running in a $0.53, and this one is almost in $2. Okay, so now always risk differs on a lot size that you are using, guys. Right? So thank you for watching. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing and leave a like to this video.